Students, I hope you are doing well. My name is Daniel Hussain. As far as my teaching experience is concerned, I have been teaching mathematics for 6 years, and I have done BS Mathematics, and I have also done B.ed with education, which is a teaching course, and I have been teaching mathematics to BS level and Msc master level mathematics for 6 years, and I can also teach A level, O level, secondary level, elementary level, and primary level mathematics to all level student. And as my teaching methodology is that I shall provide WhatsApp, I shall provide recorded videos, and I can also teach you on Zoom, I can also teach you on Google Meet according to your wishes. I can also teach on Fiverr, Upwork. I shall give you assignments, homework, and from past paper that my dear student, I assure you that if you book a lesson with me or choose me as your math teacher, then I shall make mathematics your favorite subject. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.